Thanks for checking out my cooking channel. Today I'm going to make a beautiful, incredible Moroccan dish in a cold pot. Barracuda Tagine. First thing up, I'm going to season my fish with saffron, sea salt, I'm using lime salt, pepper, some nice garlic oil, and just rub all those flavors in just like so. While that's marinating away, I'm going to start the base of my tagine. So when using a clay pot, you want to have it on at least 15 minutes before you start your dish. Otherwise, it's not going to be hot enough. It takes a while for the heat to penetrate through. Right, chili. Onion. Garlic. Give that a mix. Preferably with a spoon. Just let those flavors infuse for a couple of minutes. Adding the fish. Along with any of the juices. Turn it over. Baste those flavors over the fish. Add some water. Potatoes. And just let all those flavors infuse for about 20 minutes. Every 5 minutes, you have to take this off and just nappe the fish. Nappe as in let the juices from the stock go over the fish, just like so. And you can tell it's ready by, you see on the top, it just lifts off the bone like that. Perfectly cooked. Right, tomatoes. Spring onions. And just let those flavors infuse together. Oh, stock. Oh, it's amazing. Oh. So place your fish in a wonderful dish of your choice. So, some stock, parsley. Look at that, folks, look at that. Wow, that fish broth, my friends, is absolutely stunning. There's saffron and all the other juices. Wow. Garlic, I could say more than ever. I'm rather pleased with that one. Oh, wonderful. This dish comes from my new cookbook, the Exotic BBQ Book, which has wonderful barbecue dishes, exotic barbecue dishes from Southeast Asia, Middle East, North Africa and the Caribbean. All places that I've worked, folks. Wonderful dishes. Over 8, 9, 10 barbecue sauces, same for flavored ketchups and chili sauces. Nice, wonderful selection. Don't forget to check out my social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Chef Sherlock Facebook page particularly, that's where the epicenter is. And also please subscribe on my YouTube channel by clicking on the icon at the end of the video. Should you like to get merchandise, things like this, you can also get the book on Amazon and my website. Click on the button at the end of the vid. Thanks for watching, folks. Bon appetit.